Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll look at the daily chart. We'll be looking at the daily trend, the direction, the levels for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. So after a very long time, if you look at this whole momentum, this momentum, you can see that in fact we were talking about this momentum from past many days, that the price is just holding up the level of 20,000, and if the price is holding up this level, which is giving me a signal that from here the price might able to reach to somewhere some upper level, right? And the one confirmation which is remaining in case of the Bitcoin is that 100 EMA. So the moment we will see that the price to close above this 100 EMA, we will be getting a good upside momentum, and that upside momentum will be somewhere around, you can see it till 22,600. So this level I am marking as a resistance, and 20,000 I am marking as a support. Now today, since the market is still open, but if you look at the volumes, if you look at the price action, you can see that if this continues till the end of the day, if the closing happens here or maybe higher than this 100 EMA, we will be getting a good confirmation that from now onwards we will be getting more upside momentum. So for that, this is something looking good, because the price is still able to hold up this 20,000 support area. So till the time it's holding up, and if we are getting a good green candle today, by the end of the day, by the closing, we will definitely see more upside momentum in the next week. So next week we might able to see good momentum in the Bitcoin, and since the Ethereum is already trading higher than 100 EMA, so we might able to see more movement in that cryptocurrency as well. So this is for the Bitcoin, we are getting little more upside momentum, and the direction will be on the upside, and the range will be 22,600 and 20,000 levels. So this is for the Bitcoin. Now let's coming towards the Ethereum. So Ethereum is basically giving me more signals, from past many days now. And if you look at here, you can see that very nicely the price is holding up the 1510 level. So this is basically, I'm marking this level as a support area. Why? Because the support level is there. Also we have this 100 EMA level as well. So the price is very nicely hold up this level, and I think in the yesterday's video I spoke about this thing, that every time the price tries to come down, and the price is managing very well the closing higher than the support level. So that is something which is giving me a very good signal that yes, technically the setup looks like little bullish, and we might able to see more upside in the upcoming days. Now the resistance we can mark as a 1725, and also every day by day we can see the convergence of these two moving averages. So the moment we will see a crossover, from there we will be we just need to see the upside momentum, because that will be a time where from the leading as well as the lagging indicator, from both of the indicators we'll be getting a good confirmation towards one side. So the downtrend, maybe we will end that downtrend after that upside momentum, and the probability of getting it is quite higher at this point of time. So yes, we just need to wait, and if we get a good close today around here, or maybe somewhere higher than the current market price, you will definitely see that in the next week good upcoming momentum you will definitely get. So this is something you can look at for the Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I hope you are getting some kind of knowledge, some kind of useful information out of this video. So do subscribe the channel, like this video, and I'll meet you on Monday, and we'll see what gonna happen in the next week. So till then, thank you so much for watching me.